Good morning, everybody. It is Halloween, October 31st, and we are at the airport right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me. We are headed to Orlando today. Mom and Dad are with us, and I am on my way to get some Starbucks. So, we got a pumpkin spice extra cold brew and a grande caramel mocha frappuccino. Waiting for our flight, maybe 1 more hour. Headed off to Dallas on a transfer in Dallas. Head to Orlando. We are waiting for our flight now with Mom and Dad. Coming with us.
Hi Mom, hi Dad. Mom's busy. Really, Dad?
Finally headed on our vacation that we been trying to go to for a long time. As you know, Paris was out of the question. So now we're headed to Orlando. Just got on the plane. Mom and Dad. Hi Mom and Dad.
No. Oh yeah, they.
We're on the plane now.
Does, Mom.
Our flight is probably 2 hours and 45 minutes to Dallas, and then we got a little bit of maybe a 10-minute stopover, and it's 2 hours and 22 minutes on to Orlando. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna get like peanuts or anything, maybe just water on this flight. I don't know how it is. We haven't really flown during COVID, so yeah. Here in Dallas with a stopover for an hour. It's already 2 o'clock here. We're 2 hours ahead from Vegas time. By the time we get to Orlando, it'll be 6:55, I believe. And I believe we're going straight to downtown Disney. So that's what we're doing right now. Oh yeah, and you'll be seeing where we are staying at Disney World. I've been traveling all day.
We're glad that you were here and we hope that you enjoyed.
Hi, Auntie. Uncle.
How's your trip?
Good, it was good. All day traveling today, but Harry Potter. This way. Number 4. Yeah, I'll let you guys see. our bus. Nobody. It's just us, babe.
Have the bus to ourselves. Going to Contemporary.
It's really crazy, guys. There's nobody on this bus right now. See? Yeah, there's literally nobody here. Can you believe that? But like, there was no queue to get on the Magical Express, so yeah. Should be leaving shortly. I think we'll be going to downtown Disney, right, babe?
Yes.
Is that where we're going? Contemporary Hotel. Woo! We are here.
Yeah, sure.
Years, or 9
The same one
years.
that we
Sorry.
had.
9th year wedding anniversary. Going to the 11th floor.
11th floor.
Oh, right here. Right here. Right next to the elevator. Babe. Cannot believe that we are staying here at the Contemporary Hotel right now. We watch vlogs all the time on, you know, people that we love to watch, and we are here at Contemporary. Oh, come on, work.
Happy 9 years.
Happy
babe.
9 years, baby.
Wedding anniversary. Holy
That is
cow.
the castle right there.
I freaking love this. I love you, Sharon, the cast member
That's
that
the
checked us
castle.
in.
Yep, Sharon from Battle Creek, Michigan. I think this might be the bus for Disney Springs, because that's where we're headed right now. We're really hungry. Haven't eaten anything since the plane, just ate like crackers, meats and cheeses basically, but we're gonna try to get some shirts for this week, and have some dinner too. We got Goofy. All right, we're here at Disney Springs now after a 20-minute bus ride from the Contemporary. So we're gonna try to find somewhere to eat. I did see a lot of cars entering, so hopefully be able to find somewhere to eat, because we are starving. All right, the regular temperature checks, we're used to that. Hello. Thank you. All right, Disney Springs. Last time we were here, it was downtown Disney. I can literally just eat anything right now. I'm so hungry, I can eat anything. Gotta check out the Polite Pig. I think it's so... Hello. So I ordered the burnt and chili right here, mac and cheese, got a cornbread there, and then I got the low and slow brisket right here, sandwich. Got a couple sauces in there, ready to try it out. Can't really see that because it's a little bit dark. There we go. There we go. Sorry. Leslie. What did I used to say? We gonna eat. So I'm gonna try this brisket. It looks super good. Look at that sandwich. It's huge. That brisket is tender. They got onion straws. They got an aioli in there. Got some jalapenos on this ciabatta bread. Try this mac and cheese. Look at this. Very good. Thank you. Look at this brisket.
Oh, wow.
So that sandwich was really good. That was a really good sandwich. The brisket was super tender. Wasn't chewy or anything like that. They cooked it really well. The sauce was really good. The jalapenos was really hot. That was pretty hot, but the mac and cheese was really good too. I love mac and cheese. So the chili just tastes like a regular chili, babe. But I really liked it. Finally got to check out the Polite Pig. I always see it on vlogs and whatnot, so it was super good. Ooh, what is this?
They still have that.
Ooh. Can we get some?
Yeah, let's. Want to get that instead?
Oh, I want ice cream, but look at these cakes. They're $60.
To get this for so long. It's a good thing they still had it. That is so cute.
Let me get some napkins.
Look how cute he is.
Sorry.
He's supposed to eat her. Oh no, what's inside? Ooh.
You just hit it.
Well?
Good. Let's try one more bite. It's like a texture of a cheesecake.
Oh really?
But it's obviously mousse. Is that a green rubber band?
No.
Have some little crispies in there. Sorry. We are on our way back to the hotel now. We had a good day of eating, a little bit of shopping, traveling, of course, the most part. Alright, what's up guys? We are back at our hotel. We're gonna do a little room tour for you guys before we head off to bed. We are on the 11th floor here at the Contemporary, and this is, what is Chef Mickey's? That is Chef Mickey's right there. You can have breakfast there one of these days. We'll go over here. This is the big painting by Mary Blair. Oh, Mary Blair. That painting is 12 stories tall, and that is huge. That's that painting. Head over here. First walk in, obviously the entryway. Got the Keurig machine, some Keurig pods, ice box, a closet with a lot of space for your luggage hangers, pillows, blanket. Move over here. Go to the bathroom. Got the towels. Got the sinks. 2 sinks. Yep. The mirror. There's a light. Got your, what are those called? Soaps. More towels, hand towels, face towels. Got a good size shower and bathtub. And then I have these, obviously. Always have these. They give you shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And ooh, look at bath soap, sea salt. And then you got the sliding door bathroom, toilet. Nothing special there. Just regular toilet. Cool painting. Got the mini fridge. Oh, extra Keurig pods. Empty fridge. And another closet space. Got the safe there. Want to keep your valuables. Iron and ironing board as well with hairdryer. And more drawer space so you can lose stuff. Or leave stuff here. Some luggages. Whose are those? I'm not sure. Yeah, just kidding. About a 50-inch TV with a plastic clean remote. See, it was cleaned. Got a nice panoramic mirror, and I believe this couch comes out, right? Yeah. Or not comes out, but it folds to a bed. Sorry, watch out, baby. With one hand it's hard, but and then we got our California King bed right here. A couple of my bags on there. A nice office area desk / makeup station for Mary Lou. Office lamp. Various plugs. LAN cable plug. Some drawers. More stuff to leave stuff in. Chair for her back. Nice side table with more plugs, USB. I guess there's a Bible in here.
There is?
Yes, there is. Always gonna have a Bible in here. Phone. Another light. It does turn on. Oh, and then dimmer. Okay. Both sides have a dimmer. And then the best part. Let's walk out here. Bam. Magic Kingdom. There's a castle. Space Mountain. Main Street area. Parking area. And the entrance. And then there's Bay Lake. What is that? What's that hotel over there? Grand Floridian. Yeah, Floridian is right there. Yep. 11th floor. It's the entryway into the hotel. Yeah, that's about it. Super nice view. I could have never dreamed of staying here, and we are able to stay here today, this week, and we are super grateful. We're here for our anniversary. We got an early day tomorrow. Good night, everybody.